Good evening from London. The FTSE All-Share was trading in positive territory today after the Bank of England lifted restrictions on dividend payouts and share buybacks imposed during the height of the pandemic in April last year. The best performer was the NatWest Group, which was trading up 1.8%. Next was HSBC, which was trading higher by 1.5%, and the Lloyds Banking Group was up by 1.4%. UK retail sales have grown at their fastest rate since records began, driven by loosening lockdown restrictions, Euro 2020 and the weather. Data released by the British Retail Consortium showed that in the quarter to June, total sales increased 10.4%, with non-food items such as fashion and homeware jumping 47%. Separate figures from Barclaycard provided supporting evidence of a June surge in consumer spending, with activity 11.1% higher than in the same month of 2019. India's e-commerce giant Flipkart has raised $3.6 billion following a round of fresh investment by global backers, which includes its parent company Walmart and China's Tencent. India has one of the fastest growing and largest internet populations in the world, and a push towards digitization has accelerated during the pandemic as purchases have shifted online. In the final quarter of 2020, India's e-commerce sector grew 36% year on year. Flipkart's competitors include Amazon as well as domestic rival JioMart. The latest round of fundraising gives the group a market capitalization of $37.6 billion. Elon Musk has defended Tesla's takeover of Solarcity during a combative shareholder lawsuit against the deal. The 2016 $2.6 billion acquisition for the ailing solar panel maker has caused angst amongst union pension funds and asset managers as they accuse the billionaire chief executive of strong-arming Tesla's board into accepting the deal. At the time, Musk owned a 22% stake in the company, which was founded by his cousins. Musk testified that the deal was negotiated without his influence. The lawsuit accuses Musk of dominating deal discussions, pushing Tesla to pay more for Solarcity, and misleading shareholders about its financial health. Those are your main stories from London at close of business.